As Forex Market Analytics Monday morning, opening up the week, we got the Canadian Japanese yen here. Very special technical situation. We feel confident that we are going to engage with a position. We're not sure yet to which direction, so it's not a question of if, it's more a question of when and where. Now, this is why it's so special. We have I'll take you to the big picture, right? To the weekly chart. This is a very remarkable kind of behavior we've seen over the last few weeks. I'm talking about mostly last week and the week before, right? 76.60, that's a huge support level. And it was fully confirmed by price action, not only last week, but the week before. Take a look at this huge spikes sticking out of that, that key level system. I want to show you how it looks like from the monthly perspective. Right, you can see the pullback right after price had been taking all the previous lows, by the way, and it's pulling back. We think there's a very good chance it will end up the month above 76.60, and then we'll have this full-fledged upside reversal where price will take us back pretty much to where it came from. So this is the big picture, right? Now, when we zoom in, we find, the local price action presents this interesting formation. Started about 10 days ago, pretty much, right? This is the formation, the trading range. But what's really interesting right now is to see how price is coming from above, pressing from above, trying to break through 76.42, right? 76.43. That's the mid-high key level. We feel that it might actually succeed to push against price action and send it back up. Now here's the deal. We are fully prepared to launch an attack on both directions. So if price will continue to fail like it does right now on breaking 76.43 and instead will start to go up, right? At some point it will start to engage with 78 spot, 78.00. This is our trigger for a bullish position. Right, so if price is going to break after failing 76.43 here and breaking 78 with a daily breakout confirmation, we will pull the trigger and try to hunt about 300 pip all the way to 81.25, which is the mid-low key level of that huge system that I've showed you on the monthly perspective. Remember this one? 81.25. This is just the first, the next imminent resistance level. But we do believe that if we're going to have here that full-fledged upside reversal, price is going to go even higher than that. Anyway, that's just the next target to work with in case price is going to be breaking out. The other, on the flip side of this interesting situation, we have that 76.43, which seems to be challenged right now as we speak. Let me zoom in. It's quite interesting to see how price is pounding on that level. Now, it might be successful, right? By the end of the day, it might actually end up breaking that level, closing below 76.43. That's going to be an interesting indication for a bit of a downside drop. It's just just another leg inside of this formation. Just imagine that every single move back and forth here is a leg. So we might have another one pushing back downwards towards the lower section. 74.66, that's the minimum key level we can talk about on the downside here. So basically we're ready to pull the trigger to whichever direction price is going to lead the way, right? It's going to break 76.43, boom, we're in, taking about 160, 170 pip all the way to 74.66. And as I've mentioned earlier, on the upside, we have a different strategy, right? A different kind of, game plan. So that's pretty much the case, right? Canadian Japanese yen. We're very, very close to jump in. We'll give it a day, right? Maybe a day, maybe a couple of days. At some point, I'm pretty sure we will get on board. We will come back to give you the update and the shout out. That's about that for this one, guys. See you in the next video. Take care.